Is your iPhone showing this time zone cannot be set manually due to device restrictions? This issue can occur if certain restrictions or settings are in place on your device. Follow this guide to resolve the problem and regain control over your time zone settings. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check screen time restrictions. If screen time is enabled, it might restrict time zone changes. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. If restrictions are enabled, tap Location Services under Privacy. Make sure Location Services is on. Go back and tap System Services. Ensure the setting time zone is enabled. Go back and try adjusting your time zone manually. Solution 2. Update iOS. Outdated software can sometimes create unexpected restrictions. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Once updated, try setting your time zone manually. Following these steps should help you resolve the restriction on setting your time zone manually. If this guide helps, subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for our next guide.